Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to replace a bathroom sink stopper. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps to replace something like this. Now, the specific style of sink stopper that I'm replacing is a twist-off style, okay? So the older style, the more classical or traditional style is one where it sort of goes down into the basket pipe over there, and if you look underneath, you'll end up finding like a connecting rod in here at the back. But with this modern style, there's nothing back here, okay? As you can see right over here, it's just the pipe that goes up into here, and there's nothing that connects it. So this modern style, what you'll find in most modern sinks, because it's very, very modern, is instead of having the rod at the back where you sort of pull it up and down to make it go down and release it, you have a push style. Okay, so it's a push style sink stopper. Some people call them like push style or twist off, but at the end of the day, it's that style right there. Now, this is how you replace it. It's very easy and very simple. You're going to make sure that, first of all, you're going to make sure that it's open. So it's in the upward position. Then you're going to twist it counterclockwise, okay? Twist it counterclockwise. It's just a few twists. That's all you need. And you can remove it like that. As you can see, now there's no sink stopper right over there. The interesting thing about this sink stopper is that it has the actual stopper, and it also has the strainer in it as well. You can see that it has the strainer portion. So when you take that out, you must be aware of the fact that any debris can just go down into that pipe. So really be careful when you're taking this off. Make sure there's nothing around that's going to fall in there and clog up the pipe. Then you want to take your new sink stopper, okay? If let's say this one is broken, or let's say you want to change the style of it, whatever the case is, you want to take your new sink stopper, put it in place like that. Okay, drop it down nicely. Then you want to twist clockwise and apply just a little bit of downward pressure. And I'll tell you why, if you just twist clockwise, it's going to just twist and twist and twist and twist. It's not going to catch. So make it go nice and straight down, a little bit of downward pressure, and twist clockwise. You can see I'm just applying just a little bit of pressure, and you'll know that it's caught when I can sort of tug it upwards and it's not coming out. So now I can just continue twisting it, okay, until it's nice and tight. And then you'll have your new sink stopper, just like that. Now, these modern sink stoppers are much easier to replace than the older ones. The older ones still only take a few minutes to replace, but there's more involved. Whereas with this style right here, with the push style or the twist off style, it's like literally just twist it off. But I just wanted to sort of give you the whole overview of what to do and what to be aware of, and this modern style versus the classical style, so that you can know exactly what's going on. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.